Hi everybody, welcome to today's tapping session. Follow along with me. It's going to be all about feeling worthy and knowing we can have anything that we fucking want in this life, okay? So let's start with the karate chop. The universe loves to send me what I want. I am the universe's favourite. I just get to have whatever I want. I deserve the fucking world, and that is exactly what I'm going to get. Life is rigged in my favour. It's normal for me to get what I want. It's natural for me to get what I want. Because I know I deserve the world. I know how worthy I am. Every single day I wrap myself up so tightly in my self-belief and my self-worth. Because I know I'm the prize. I know how powerful I am. I know there is nothing that I cannot be, do, or have. And I know that every single day my self-concept is getting higher and higher. And so the world is my oyster. Life is like the Argos catalogue for me. I just get to pick whatever I want. And the universe loves to send it to me. In fact, the universe's favourite job is sending me what I want. And the universe loves to send me whatever I want fast and in the easiest way possible. That's why I'm dedicated to having so much fun. That is why I am dedicated to joy, fun, and purpose in life. Because I know the more that I relax, the more that I receive. I know that the more that I relax, the easier it is for me to receive. And I find it easy to relax around my desires because I trust that the universe has got this. I am allowing myself to take the pressure off of me because I know the universe has got this. I don't have to worry, the universe knows exactly what I want, and it knows exactly how to send it. Exactly how to send it. I don't have to figure that out. The how is not my concern. The universe is way more creative than I am anyway, so it's going to send me in a way funner way than I can even imagine. And I can't wait for it to show up. And I love tapping into the feeling of already having it. Like, wouldn't it be nice if my manifestation showed up today? Wouldn't it be nice if today was the best day ever? Wouldn't it be nice if I got what I want in the next 5 minutes? Wouldn't it be nice if I felt so magnetic today, if I felt so powerful? Wouldn't it be nice if the universe just showed me how good it gets today? Isn't it wonderful now that I have everything that I want? Isn't it wonderful that manifestation is so easy to me now? Isn't it wonderful that I don't chase, I attract? I get what I want by simply existing. I get what I want by simply living in the energy of the version of me who already has it. And that is so much fun. I know I deserve everything that I want. I know it's on its way to me. I know the universe has got it covered. And I'm allowing myself to receive everything that I want right now. I am allowing it to flow into my life. Thank you, universe. And take a deep breath in and out. This was a nice little short and sweet EFT tapping session that you can add into your days to make you feel like the powerful manifester that you are. Please do not skip your nervous system regulation, whether it's EFT, meditation, or breath work. For all of my clients that pay for my advice, this is a non-negotiable. 2 to 3 times a day, you should be regulating your nervous system. When we are programming our mind doesn't like it. Quite frankly, it doesn't like it. The brain doesn't like change. Our mind does not like change. So when we are doing new affirmations, when we're scripting, when we're implementing a new manifestation routine, we have to regulate the nervous system more to keep our mind knowing that this is safe. And when it knows it is safe, it allows your manifestations to happen faster because the mind is going to be programmed faster because it knows it's safe. Do not skip this step. You are highly sleeping on your manifestations and how fast they can come if you are skipping this step. It's non-negotiable. Start doing it every day and see how much of a difference it makes. Sending you lots of love. Mwah.